that kind of lifts me out of my darkness and my, feeling small and my frustration and anxiety.
Men speaking to men about matters of the soul, about life and death and what's meaningful, just doesn't hardly happen in modern culture. Whatever we were going to address or talk about, we would do it in a way that took us out of our heads and into our bodies.
But men's work is working inside yourself.
Some release of emotion that you've been carrying probably far too long.
I think I would go in and live that terrible day as my father.
Sometimes men have anger that's too frightening to let out.
You had to hold it in. You had to look good. But inside, he was dying.
I live my life in widening circles that reach out across the world. And I still don't know, am I a falcon, a storm, or a great song?
Because I know that if I did not find my way back to my heart, that I would not make it.
When death finally did come, it would stop for a moment and let you dance your last dance.
I've come here before and I'll come back again, and there's no fear in death.
Something old and tyrannical burning there. I have come here to warm that blackness into forms of light.
The men who come here are hungry. Poetry can feed that hunger. Humor.
Sparrow, would you tell me some more jokes?
No.
Should Sparrow even be telling jokes?
My name is Jeff Thompson, and I'm a loveaholic.
When men are together, beauty happens.
Blessings and peace to you, let it be so. Just the English version. Blessings and peace to you, let it be so. Blessings and peace to you, let it be so. Blessings and peace to you, let it be so.
You're heading into something that is possibly a gift of a lifetime. Getting to know who I am.
Ho! Ho!